Did you know you can earn over $500 an hour? To find out how, keep watching. Let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, link in the description. It's time to level up. Become your own boss. Make easy money online. Live your dream life. Insider secret strategy, Verve.
Are you sick of always working hard and seeing no reward? Does it feel like your bills are constantly going through the roof while your income stays the same? Well, don't worry, because this is your chance to grab your share of an $8 billion fortune. This is your chance to wake up every day to huge commission checks, to earn incredible money with hardly any work at all, and to watch your bank balance go up and up and up. And it's all thanks to LinkedIn. You've no doubt heard of LinkedIn. You're probably a LinkedIn member yourself. But did you know there's an $8 billion LinkedIn loophole that's making people like you incredibly rich? This loophole is the best kept secret on the internet, because those that know about it are able to earn over $500 an hour with almost no work involved. How amazing would your life be if you could earn $500 an hour with everything done for you? Well, with Verve, you're about to find out. Verve is a powerful, innovative platform that lets you find high-paying clients in an instant. High-paying clients that are desperate for a wide range of services. Services that you can outsource and charge them huge fees for. So you can simply sit back and relax while others do the work for you. You see, there are two ways to make money online. The most popular way is to do everything yourself. Create your product or service, set up your own website, write blog posts and create videos, spend months perfecting your SEO, contact potential clients every day, post on your social media multiple times a day, build a list of prospects and email them regularly, create all your content marketing, write and produce your paid ads, and much, much more. Then, there's the easy way. Set up your Verve account, decide who you want to contact, and enjoy a constant flood of high-paying clients 100% automated. Verve takes care of everything for you. It's super simple to set up, and once you've set it up, Verve gets to work helping you earn huge money 24/7, 365 days a year. You don't need any freelancing skills or experience, and you don't need any tech or coding skills, because Verve has an easy-to-use, set-and-forget system that anyone can set up in no time at all. This $8 billion LinkedIn loophole has helped hundreds of people just like you earn their fortune. Isn't it time you rewarded yourself with a fortune too? Join Verve today, and you can start grabbing your share of the $8 billion fortune in hours.
Thanks for watching. Follow the link in the description, so you too can benefit from this insider strategy, make enough money online to be your own boss, and finally live your dream life. We share life-changing videos like this, each and every week. Don't be a dummy, subscribe, so you don't miss out.